Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use one-tap measuring on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, we want to go over to the app list. So just hold this button right here, click it, and you need to find one-tap measuring. Now this will measure the 4 health metrics that we want. So it will be the heart rate, the SpO2, this will be the stress and breathing rate. So we wanna first, let me put on the watch and then we'll click measure. So now it's on my wrist, and what we wanna do is we wanna click measure right here. Now we need to remain still for 45 seconds. So I'll get back to you in a second once there's a couple seconds left of it. So as you guys can see, here we have our information. So it did not get my blood oxygen, but we got our heart rate, we got our stress, we got the breathing rate. So here we have everything. I'm surprised that it didn't do the blood oxygen, but here we have it. As you guys can see, we can also redo the test, and that's basically how it works. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.